What's up, guys? It's Jose Zuniga from Teaching Men's Fashion, and for today's a fun one because today I'm going to help you or talk about uncomfortable medical conditions, problems that a lot of guys have that no one wants to talk about. Today I'm going to talk about 5 things that could be messing with your confidence, with how you look, that maybe aren't your fault, and how to fix them. Let's hop into it. Now, as a quick disclaimer, no, I am obviously not a medical professional, so a lot of these issues do require medical attention. If you think you have any of these, you should consult your doctor. Problem number 1, hyperhidrosis. Yes, heavy sweating is a real problem and a real embarrassing one at that. No matter what undershirt you wear or you buying the most expensive antiperspirant you can find at the store, it just doesn't work. And by the end of the day, you are sweating profusely through like 4 layers of clothing. I would give you 2 tips before you take that step. 1, always keep your armpit hair as low as possible. This is going to reduce the heat there to make sure you're not sweating profusely. Second, invest in these undershirts from Thompson T. If you have hyperhidrosis, regular undershirts won't cut it. The ones from our sponsor Thompson T aren't regular undershirts. These have a patented hydro shield sewed inside the t-shirt that basically absorbs any of the moisture and body heat that your armpits are expelling, and then expels that as vapor when it's filtered through the pad, which basically will mean that you won't have any wet spots at the end of the day because the pad absorbs all of it. Now, this is patented technology, so you won't find any other undershirts like it, and the great part is that it works like a regular undershirt. You can barely tell it there's pads there, and since the t-shirts are form-fitting, they're not going to be extra thick, and you can wear it under a dress shirt like this without them being noticeable. The cool thing, you can just grab them, throw them in the washer and dryer like you normally do with all your other t-shirts. There's no special process to it. Just so you can see how effective these are, on the left we have a regular undershirt. On the right we have the Thompson T. We're going to spray some water in both armpit sections and put a napkin underneath on the other side to represent any type of dress shirt or t-shirt you would be wearing on the exterior. Notice that with excessive sweating, a regular t-shirt won't cut it. It seeps through. The Thompson T with the hydro shield absorbs all of it. Nothing seeps through, and that's what you want if you have hyperhidrosis. And right now that summer's coming, humidity's going up, temperature's going up, you're gonna wanna stock up in 1 or 2 of these. What I would recommend, these are really affordable. I'm going to have them linked down below with the discount code as well, so you guys can check them out. And I would buy 1, test it out. If this is a problem that you have, buy multiple. And Thompson T is so confident, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, so you can buy the shirt, wear the shirt, try it out, wash it, and if you still don't like it, they're gonna give you your money back. The second issue some guys have, gynecomastia. Yes, I did Google how to pronounce these. This is basically just having man boobs. There's 2 types. You have the ones from just being overweight, excessive fat on the body. These are the easiest ones to treat because that just means you need to follow a healthy diet plan and hit the gym to cut back the fat. But then you have gynecomastia. If you notice your chest or your breasts are starting to enlarge and they start to feel tender, chances are that you could be having swelling of tissue, and this is a condition you could probably have. This is mainly caused because of imbalances between your estrogen and testosterone levels in your body, and to hopefully avoid or minimize the chances of you ever getting that, you want to stay away from illegal drugs like heroin, marijuana, amphetamines. Also want to stay away from excessive drinking. You also want to stay away from certain medication that is known to lead to this condition. Oligospermia. Number 3, oligospermia. This is another issue most guys don't talk about, and this basically is just low sperm count. This will basically mean that for you, it probably will be a little bit harder to conceive since your sperm count per milliliter isn't what it should be. So yes, don't worry, there are things you can do to prevent you damaging your little soldiers, such as avoid having excessive heat in your groin area, which means don't put your laptop on your lap and work on it for hours. Also, you want to avoid using illicit drugs and drinking alcohol excessively. Also, being overweight, something you probably don't want because it can affect your hormone levels and lower your sperm count. So overall, like I've always said, your body is a machine. You want to live a healthy life and fuel it with the best and treat it right. If you do, it's going to be running on all 8. Number 4, cystic acne. Basically the worst form of acne. This is when your hair follicles get clogged up with oil and dead skin cells, and that ends up turning into a yellow, gross pus. And no, this isn't your regular 1 or 2 zits. This is literally having craters on your face. It's a serious medical condition that does require you visiting a doctor or a dermatologist, because your regular cleanser and scrub probably won't fight it on its own. So like I said, at this point, it's good to go to a dermatologist that can prescribe you powerful medication like Accutane. I've heard of a lot of success stories of guys that have had cystic acne get on Accutane and have tremendous results. However, I have heard that there are some side effects that a lot of people don't like. So there's also natural remedies you can look into. One remedy, which isn't scientifically backed, but a lot of people suggest, is to completely cut out dairy from your diet. Now, I haven't tried it out myself because I don't have this, but I have seen testimonials of other guys like this guy that completely cut out dairy, and he said that just that cleared out his skin. So in my opinion, give it a shot. And finally, number 5, melasma. These are brown spots that start appearing on your skin, mainly because you probably spend a lot of time in the sun. The sun damage causes the melanin in your skin to go in overdrive, and those brown spots or discoloration starts to appear on your skin. This one's actually simple. It's all about prevention. I've told you time and time again, every time you step out, you want to wear some sort of moisturizer that has SPF that will protect you from the sun. The sun is very damaging, and not only will age you prematurely, it could cause you serious skin damage. And that's basically it for today's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, don't forget to check out our sponsor, Thompson Tea. If you sweat profusely, these teas will save your life. So, that's it from me today. See you next time.